Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this 2010 Ford F-150 and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the front brake pads and rotors. So let's get started. For the wheel, this is a nut number 21. These are the spare parts that I bought. So we have our Brembo brake pads, ceramic brake pads. This is the Brembo reference P24166N. Let's check them out. Here we have the brake pads from Brembo. Alright, yep, they match with the caliper. We have the DURAGO rotors. These are fully coated. So let's try them on. So let's take off the caliper. First of all, we gotta take off this bolt right here and this other one down here. These are a wrench number 13. Let's take off the caliper. Here we go. So here we have the brake pads. So I'm gonna take it off. So look at this. It was done. Okay, now let's take off the caliper bracket, which is this one right here. So we're gonna have to take off this bolt right here and this other down here. So this is a nut number 21. Okay, second one. And here we have the caliper bracket. Now let's take off the rotor. So now let's put the new rotor. So now let's put back the caliper bracket. The first one, the second one. So now I'm gonna tight nut number 21. Alright, now the upper one. Alright, there we go. Let's change. Alright, let's get the new one. Like this for the 4 of them. Now let's put the brake pads. Alright, so when you compare the brake pads, you will see that this one has like this Mickey Mouse ears. So the one that has the ears goes in the inner side where the piston caliper press. So make sure to put this one in the inner side. So now let's put the brake pad. This one goes in the inner side. Alright. So I'm gonna put the old brake pad and I'm gonna take the seat press. Try to alternate side to side. Go slow, slow, slow. Meanwhile the pistons goes all the way back. Alright. Now let's put back the caliper. Let's put back the bolts. Let's put the second one right here. Now that's gonna tight. This is a wrench number 13. The lower one, now here the upper one. Alright. And this is it guys. This is how you replace the front rotors and brake pads in this 2010 or F-150. So now all you have to do is put back the wheel and do the same thing for the other side of the car. I hope you have liked this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.